Hello children, hope you all are putting up well. So as we know, we have started with HTML, and till now I believe everybody is aware what is HTML is. So children, I'll just give you a brief review about it. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now this is a language and it has been designed for displaying anything on the browser. So we can say like this: if you want to display anything on the browser programmatically, we require a language, and that language is a HTML. Children, it is also known as language of tags, right? So I'll show you. This is my web browser. It is basically an Internet Explorer. Another web browser is Google Chrome, and so on, children. So in this HTML, what we can design? Now in this HTML programming, children, we can design this page, anything what we want to get displayed over here, right? So what are there in my HTML page? My HTML page contains hyperlinks, text, videos, images, right? So these things can be designed and put on the web page using HTML. Now while seeing this browser, we can divide this browser in two stages or in two halves. The first half is this one, children, right? And the second one is this. So the first we will call, this is my head section because it is in heading, right? And this is my body section. Remember children, all the contents, right, that is my images, my videos, my text, which it will appear in this body. My head will contain the title of my web page. Now what is a web page? As I have said, web page is a collection of your hyperlinks, images, text, other documents. These things together will make you a web page. There are two types of web page, children. One is static page and another one is dynamic page. In today's session, we will see what is a static page. Static page is only used for information, children. It will only give you information. So now, as I have said, children, this is my head section and this is my body section. So when we will do the programming, we will keep this in mind, what we want to put as a heading and what we want in the body. So let's start with this. Now children, as I have said, your HTML is a language of tags. Now children, I'll describe what it is and how many tags are there. So for starting, we should understand tags are of two types. One is your container tag and the another one is empty tag. So today we will start with container tag, right? And children, while writing a program for any language, we require a writing pad, right? So that is called editor. So for writing a HTML program, we will use the editor known as Notepad. So for opening up Notepad, what we will do, we will click on Start and we will search the Notepad application over here. If we get it, fine, we will double click it, right? I'll show you. So this is how I have opened Notepad, children. See it there, right? Now suppose if it is not there and I need to check whether the Notepad is installed in my computer or not. So for that, I again go to this and write over here Notepad. See, is there? And we will click or press enter. So children, we require two things. One is my editor, where we will write the program, and the other one is my browser, where we will test the program how it will look on the web page, because we know to display the web page, we require a browser. Is it clear? Now, so let's start. We will first open up with Notepad. That is another step for opening up Notepad. I'll show you. We will open Run by Window R combination key, and we will type over here Notepad and press OK. See, the Notepad is open. Now children, I have said we need to write the program, and our HTML hypertext markup language is not case sensitive language. That means we can write in capital letter or in small letter. Our browser will understand what we want to write or what we want to display, right? So children, so let's start. Always remember, our HTML file will start with a tag known as HTML, right? And why we are calling it tag? A tag means see, this type of angular bracket will be there, right? A name with the angular bracket is known as tag. Tags are of two types, as I have told, that is container tag and empty tag. So now I will be describing about the container tag. Later on we will see what is an empty tag. So let's start. HTML, then comes my head, right? As I have said, our HTML browser or our web browser is divided into two sections, the head section and the body section, right? So this head is for this, for writing a title. So it is my head section, so I'll write head, and then for writing the title I'll use title tag. So let's give a title. What we will do, okay, my web page, right? This is my title, and as I have said, this is a container tag. That means a tag, the same name I'll type over here, and this is known as ending tag or closing tag. So my title, the first starting tag is title, right? This is my start tag, and the end, again title with a slash sign, right? This is my ending tag or closing tag. Is it okay with you, children? Now enter, and I'll give one tab over here, and so that it is aligned. You can write in the same line, children, or you can put this alignment. This is one tab over here. I have pressed one tab and I am writing from here. That will make us understand which tag is under. It is basically a container tag, right? Okay, fine. So after that we'll type over here the body part. So for that I have a tag known as body. So what I'll write in the body? So anything we can write. So for time being I'll copy something. Let's go to help. This is only a demonstration, children. You all need not follow this. And I'll click over here, view help. Okay, what is a notepad? Okay, so I'll copy this, Ctrl C, and let's paste it over here, Ctrl V. Okay, one line. So after writing this, children, you might be seeing the line is too large and it has crossed the screen horizontally, right? To fix up this, children, I want the text should appear on a screen. What I'll do, I'll go over here, click the format menu, see, is format, and click the word wrap. Now see, the text is there in the screen. Now As I have said, this is my container tag. I have opened up with body, and now I need to close it. Body. Now my HTML close. Okay, fine. So children, I have finished. This is a small code written to display what is a notepad on the browser. After writing the program, children, we need to save this first, and for saving this file we have to click File, Save As. I'll save on the desktop. You can save it in the any of your folder, children. So I'll save on the desktop first, right? Let's give my file. This is my file name, children. Now you need to remember, for HTML the extension will be HTML. Extension of the file will be HTML or HTM, right? So this is known as extension, children. So after writing the file name, click save, and the file is been saved, children. So let's close this. Fine. See, I have got this file over here, my file. Now to view this in the browser, we can do what we can do. We can double click over here. See, as I have double clicked, and the things it's written over here. What is a notepad? A notepad is a basic editing text, and so on. Fine. And children, you must have remember I have given a title called my web page. See, the title is arrived over here, my web page. So this is how we can create a HTML file, and we can test that file on the browser. One more thing, how we can open the file on the browser. First, open up the browser. This is the second process, right? Okay, I'll minimize, I'll reduce the size of the browser, then select the file and drag it on the browser and leave it. See, it has performed the same task, right, children? So this is how we can display the file on the browser. Fine. Now children, I want to edit the file, and it's not looking nice. See, the question, what is notepad? A notepad is basic editing text. It has come on the same line. I want to change it. As now children, I have said your HTML is a language of tags, so for that I'll require tags, which we will be studying throughout this lesson, children. So I'll just give you a small demo for this, how to change the line. So again, children, what I'll do now, I'll not close this browser, I'll minimize this browser. We can open the notepad and go to File, Open, Desktop, and select over here all files. I can see it. Here's my file. Select the file, open. So now I have got this file. Now children, I have written over here what is a notepad, and in the second line I have written notepad is a basic text editing program, right? But it has not come like this. So what we need to do, we need some formatting over here. So for making or for displaying the line in the new line, okay, displaying this text on the new line, I'll use one tag that is known as BR tag. I need to save it. File, save. Now this time I'll not close this program. I will not close this. Minimize, and again I'll open the browser. It has been minimized, and what we need to do, we need to click F5. See, it's in the new line. Now what all changes we'll do over here, we'll save it and we will test it on the browser like this by clicking F5, that is known as refresh. So this is the practical experience of writing a program for HTML. Right, children? Hope you'll have understood this. Thank you for today. Stay well, stay safe.